Okay. Right now we're barbecuing outside our house. Right now we're on the side of T-Baby's house and our house. My house is right there. Is our fan and this is our garage. We're just barbecuing. Get outside barbecue. Got it. Barbecue. Say it again. Got it. Eat. Iverson, look. Negative. Yeah, we're just barbecuing, listening to Aki's music. And yeah. Let's see what we're dealing with now. Yeah. It looks Abbas. Ow!
Not even. You come to the inside. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're just chilling.
We're doing it because the guys didn't get the pig.
Yeah.
Chinatown. So yeah.
And this barbecue is for Phyllis.
She got a master's degree.
And yay, that's so good. She's very smart. And yeah, that was like school. Yeah. And now we're just chilling.
Right now we're eating hot Cheetos
with tamarind.
Oh! Stop copying what I'm saying.
And yeah.
Chocolate.
And
T-Baby. Or AKA Terrapo. Yes.
What's yours? Iverson, AKA. What's your AKA?
AKA 1.
What's your AKA?
Iverson 1.
No, dog. You gotta change it to a better one. You're so gay.
Hello. What's the IP?
Sasson, AKA Sasson, right there, dog.
Okay, Sasson. SOS. SOSON. SOSON. Okay? SOSON.
The Trixton right there. AKA Eve. Ganisa over there. AKA with the green. AKA Karut.
I know what you guys are thinking. Yes, she is hot, but she is taken.
Next to Debbie.
She's ugly. I'm pretty.
Oh my gosh, conceited bitch. So yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, we'll be seeing you guys at the party. We'll be recording later at the party, and we're gonna look much better. And we're gonna be eating the things that we're barbecuing right now.
And trust me, you're gonna see the whole family, the whole Howard family right now.
Alright, Tivira. Everyone say bye.
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 They can't see me. Bye.
No, bye.
Don't listen to what she says.